Does a leaking water heater need to be replaced? The question of whether a leaking water heater needs to be replaced is a common concern for homeowners. In summary, the decision largely depends on the severity of the leak and the age of the water heater. A leaking water heater can be caused by a variety of issues, such as corrosion, a faulty valve, or a damaged tank. In some cases, a minor leak may be repairable by fixing a specific problem, like replacing a valve or tightening a connection. However, if the leak is substantial, it may be an indication of a more serious problem, like a ruptured tank, which typically necessitates a replacement. The age of the water heater is also a critical factor. Water heaters have a typical lifespan of around 8–12 years. If your water heater is nearing the end of its lifespan and is leaking, it's often recommended to replace it rather than investing in costly repairs. Furthermore, consider the cost of repairs versus the cost of a new unit. If the repair costs are significant and the water heater is relatively old, replacing it may be a more cost-effective and reliable long-term solution. In conclusion, a leaking water heater does not always require replacement, but the severity of the leak, the age of the unit, and the cost of repairs should all be taken into consideration when making the decision. It is advisable to consult with a professional plumber to assess the situation and provide expert guidance on the best course of action. For immediate assistance, call or text the technicians at My Calgary Plumber Limited for expert assistance.